Hello guys, welcome back to WsCube Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add or show the videos icon in Canva. So if you look on the left hand side here on the sidebar, you realize that videos is not showing there, and I'm going to show you how to add that. Now guys, if you'll find this useful, please consider subscribing to the channel, as this will help the channel to grow and so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos. Now, how do you add this? All you have to do is just simply click on the apps icon here on the left side, and if you scroll down, you will find videos under more from Canva. So you will find charts, photos, logos, backgrounds, audio, translate, and videos. You can go ahead and you can click on videos here, and if you look now, you now have videos. Now you can also add additional apps. So if you scroll down, you will find a bunch of different applications that you can add straight to your Canva sidebar, right? And if you don't find something, you can simply use the search bar to type for it and you will be able to find it, right? And that's how easy it is. Now that you have the videos from the sidebar, you can easily click on it and you can utilize it. You can search for whatever you want by simply typing it in the search box here, or you can simply go ahead and click some of these categories so that you'll find different videos so that you can choose from. Very easy and very simple. Now once you find a video that you want, all you have to do is simply drag it onto the canvas, and there you have your video ready to use, guys. That's how easy it is. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to WsCube Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.